Today we're going to discuss a new and improved product from Harvest Tec, the Model 720 Dew Simulator. This machine allows operators in dry and arid climates to reintroduce moisture back into the windrow. This will allow the operators to bale a softer crop and retain more leaves. This machine introduces moisture in the windrow from the ground up, just like natural dew occurs in the field. This will allow the operator to bale their alfalfa in ideal conditions. In this short video today, we're going to discuss a couple key features about the machine and show you a little bit how it works. The Model 720 Dew Simulator is designed to be pulled through the field ahead of baling, up to 20 minutes ahead of the baler, depending on conditions. The Dew Simulator heats water to maintain water temperature between 220 and 250 degrees Fahrenheit and applies a hot mist to the windrow via a reel with tines. The heated water will help soften the plant's material more effectively than cold water, allowing the crop to retain more leaves. The Model 720 Dew Simulator is a PTO-driven machine. This PTO shaft turns a high-pressure fluid pump, which consists of a gauge, pressure regulator that controls the PSI of the system. The Dew Simulator is pulled behind a tractor between 2 and 10 miles per hour, and the PTO pump operates at 750 PSI at 1,000 RPM. There is a tractor requirement with a minimum of 1,000 RPM, 70 to 120 horsepower, and capable of controlling 15,000 pounds. Additionally, the tractor must have a minimum 90 amp alternator and a strong 12-volt battery. Additionally, the Model 720 Dew Simulator has the reel assembly mounted on the wing, the hydraulic ram, the 2 burners, and the 125-gallon fuel tank. The reel wing will lower hydraulically from its transport position down to its operating position, straddling the windrow. When at the end of the windrow, the operator will lift the reel wing a minimum of 6 inches to discontinue flow of water to the reel. The reel is chain driven off of a ground drive. So the reel matches the ground speed and mounted on a cam, so it allows the tines to enter and exit the windrow vertically with little to no crop disturbance.
Actuated valves apply the hot water at 250 to 500 psi and only when inside the windrow.
The valve actuators are adjustable for different windrow heights, treatment height in the windrow, as well as a width adjustment between 49 and 59 inches. The reel consists of 65 tines and is expandable to 85 tines for wide windrow conditions.
Perimeter nozzles could also be used when the top and sides of the windrow are extremely dry or in windy conditions. They are easily controlled by an on-off switch on the cab controller.
The 720 Dew Simulator has 2 diesel-fired water heaters mounted on the back of the machine that allow the system to operate at 220 to 250 degrees Fahrenheit. The water heaters also use between 5 and 11 gallons of diesel fuel an hour while in operation. A separate water tank that is provided by the operator is towed behind the machine. We recommend a 1,000-gallon tank, as this will treat about 80 tons of hay. A surfactant is also used to help with an even distribution of the heated water through the windrow. 10 gallons of surfactant to 1,000 gallons of water is recommended. After the Model 720 Dew Simulator is set up in the field and you're ready to begin treating the hay, the operation of the machine can be controlled through the in-cab display in the cab of the tractor. Waiting for the natural dew to soften the alfalfa is a challenge for those operators in the arid climates. The Model 720 Dew Simulator from Harvest Tec is an effective and economical tool for those operators and growers to manage those challenges and make the best hay that they can. For more questions or information, contact Harvest Tec.